Hello my friends and welcome to the Walters Art Museum online. My name is Kelsey and I'm an education coordinator at the museum. I want to thank you all so much for joining us today wherever you are to look at some art and to make some art. Today we'll be taking a close look at flowers by a pond with frogs, and then we'll make our own artwork using plants for printmaking. Let's get started with a bit of close looking. What do you notice right away? How are these flowers similar to or different from the flowers in your neighborhood? What do you see in the background? The background is the part of an image that is furthest away from us. Before there were cameras, artists and scientists had to draw, paint, or make prints of objects they found in nature to record what they saw. Have you ever used a stamp? Making a print is similar to stamping. To make a print, you apply ink to an object, press that object into a piece of paper, and transfer the ink from the object to the paper. Artists and scientists chose to make prints of the objects they found in nature so that they could record as much detail as possible. If you found a new object in nature, what would you do? Would you photograph it? Would you draw it? Would you make a print of it? Who would you tell? And what would you tell them? Let's continue to think about plants and printmaking with our very own plant prints. For this project, I suggest you start by taking a walk. While you're on your walk, look around you. Do you notice any new leaves? Different colored flowers? Whatever excites you, bring it home with you and we'll use it for our art making. For this project, you will need your exciting finds from nature, paint, any kind will do, a paintbrush, a piece of paper, and a paper plate. Start by examining what you found in nature. What do you notice about the objects? Then, select an object and paint a thin layer of paint across it. Press down for a few seconds, make sure all of the edges are touching the paper, then pull back the object to reveal your plant print. That's all for now, my friends. Thanks so much for following along, and I hope to see you next time at the Walters. Be sure to check out our website, thewalters.org, for more information about upcoming programs.